Hello children, today let's have discussion on next topic of your accountancy part of subsidiary book, that is sales book. In previous class already you people studied very well about what actually the purchase book is, how actually we are going to enter the transaction which is related to purchase book is. So in today's session, this is a part of your NCERT textbook exercise problem. Just follow the question and you people can just try to know the answer how actually we solved in the sales book. So here when it comes to purchase books to sale book, only the number of columns will be same, but when it comes to content, there we will write supplier, here we are writing as customer. So these things only you are supposed to do the focus, where actually the contents are going to change, in which cases and where all. So here the example which I have taken on September 1st, actually Amit Trader. From Amit Trader you have purchased 20 pocket radio at 70 each, 2 TV at 800. In previous class about purchase book we studied, right? Same way only here also we do the calculation. So just multiply with 70 into 20, it is 1400, and 800 into 2 is 1600, and add these two figures 1400, 1600, you will get 3000. So sales book is that book where we enter the transaction which is related to sales, to whom all we give credit basis selling the company has done, those transactions we are going to enter in this book. So next transaction, it is on September 10. In date column again you write date. This is the bill number. Bill number is one kind of reference copy for you people, on which day with which seller or buyer you have done the transaction. Accurate data you will get with the help of bill number. So here from Arun Electronics, 5 TV at 3000, 2 TV at 4800, just multiply these both the figures and you will get 15,000 is the amount which you purchased from the Arun Electronics. Then 2 TV at 4800, multiply it 9600. And the another customer, Honda Electronics, they purchased 10 tape record at 600, 5 Walkman at 300 rupees. Only you concentrate in this concept, in this question, number of unit and the price of a unit. Number of unit and the price of unit, if you multiply, the figure which you will get it, you should write in the details column. If discount is given, deduct the discount. If discount is not given, you are supposed to leave that one, that you keep it in your mind. So here just multiply both the figures and rest things will be very easy for you people. Again same way you just add it and you write it outer column as 7500. Again on September 28, Harish Trader is purchased 10 mixer juicer grinder at 800 each. Okay, how many? 10. So 10 into 800 if you do, you will get 8000 rupees is the cash which actually you have done the selling to a particular customer. So these all the name of the customer to whom you sold the respective unit, who should give the amount which is on the basis of credit they have taken, those all you are supposed to write. So totally here each and every date is very important in the respective account. Based on date you do the calculation and write in the outer column respective customer amount. So from Amit Trader 3000 is credit, 24,600 is credit from Arun Electronics. Same way Honda Electronics supposed to pay 7,500 and Harish Trader supposed to pay 8,000. So total the credit sales amount which supposed to come to the company is, it is 43,000. So this figure, individually figures which we calculated, is giving you information that the total number of credit sales and purchases which we do from the respective buyer, respective seller, respective vendor, it will give the accurate data to do the follow up in the further days. So that is the reason these all things are playing very important role while doing the calculation purpose. So keep it in your mind when you do the calculation. Performa is very important. Based on performance you do the calculation and write and enter the right thing, right item in the right place, which is going to help you a lot. So I hope I am clear with the sales book. Sales book is not much different from the purchase book, so I didn't stress much. So only the content is very important. There you wrote as name of supplier, here you are writing as a name of customer. Customer in the sense these all the people. So here it will give the brief information in detail to whom all you have sold the goods on the basis of credit. At the end you will get one figure at the end of the month, how much actually credit sales is done by the company is. So that you people are going to get it accurate result. So that is the reason books of account is very important in the company point of view, which will give you idea, which will give you proof that that number of transaction which is done by the company, with whom you did and how much you did, each and every information you people are going to get it in briefly accurate manner. So same way here, let's not have much discussion, it's very easy topic. So how we did for the purchase book, same way you apply, only column content, especially content will change, rest all calculations are same. Even purchase return, sales return also same way we do the calculation, only content of the column, even not number of column, content of column only will change. That you people keep it in your mind and do the calculation. It's very easy lesson, easy topic. Let us not concentrate much on the respective topic. I hope I am clear with the today's session. I hope I am clear with today's content. Anywhere if you are feeling doubt, let's have discussion in the doubt hour on the respective topic, on the respective entry, on the respective calculation where you people are discomfort. So feel free to ask a question regarding this topic, and we'll meet in the doubt hour. Till that time, take care, dear children.